wear a hat, sometimes play chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream of December.
Hello my sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole Cole and I love everything home. I am definitely not one style. I love to mix old and new. I love cottagecore, I love French country, I love farmhouse, and honestly, if I like it, I use it in our home, and that's the way everyone's home should be. It should be your style. So today we are working in our kitchen area. I have been on the struggle bus this week between working my job, taking down Christmas decor, trying to cook supper for my parents. It's just been a really long week. Have y'all kind of struggled this week? It's like after Christmas, it's just, you're just trying to go and you can't seem to get into the rhythm. But I'm hoping that getting the kitchen reset today will help me with that. I'm pulling all my copper pieces back out. I'm gonna hang a shelf with you guys, and I have moved my scale back to the kitchen island, and I wanna decorate that area with you guys. Let's just dive in today.
You are my shelter from the storm. You keep me safe inside your wings. You are my comfort when life gets hard. You lead me to water to drink. Your gentle hand, even when I can't understand, I know your voice. I'm not afraid, walking with me at the same pace. My companion, my confidant, you will be true when I am not, and when I give you my injuries, through your grace I find your peace. And
my favorite area of the kitchen to decorate because when you walk in our front door, this is the first area you see. I love having my copper pots back here. I may rearrange, I have them from short to long, and I may kind of back that off. I'm not really sure yet. Someone made a suggestion to me when I did some cutting boards back there to do that, and I never did it just because it just seemed like every time I thought about it, I forgot it. So I want to do this area. I do want to put something on my griddle. I love having a piece of wood on there. I have one big piece of wood that I want to try. This was left over from our pantry when we did our pantry. These are one of the shelves. So I thought about using this on this area here. It's fairly large, it's quite chunky, which I really like that look. I do have this cutting board that I could use there instead. You could see the griddle still, but I'm thinking that this kind of helps me keep my griddle clean while I'm working on the other areas. I love this stove. I've gotten plenty of questions on it. It's Kutch, I think is the name brand of it. We bought it from Home Depot. Love, love, love customer service. They've been so helpful with us. This is a gas burning stove, but we have propane out here in the country. So we had to kind of redo some things to get it to work with propane. They were great about that. We had some other issues. They were great about that. So customer service has been completely wonderful with this name brand. They are not paying me. I just thought I'd share that with you guys. But I want to use this here. And then I always try to keep my salt and pepper and my utensils just for very utilitarian purposes. So I think what I'm going to do, I have this Roseville pottery. I love this. This is what I have in my breakfast nook, and I'll show that to you before we leave today. So I think I want to bring that over here and just do my utensils, my cooking utensils in that. That's really pretty. I could add my salt and pepper shakers, and you'll see that I do add a lot of woods, a lot of blues, and with a lot of whites. So I do love the salt and pepper shaker here close by, but I think I want to do it beside, but I want to bring something that I used to use back. These are my little copper cart things that I bought from Home Goods. I just wanted something more copper in here several years ago, and I think I'm going to bring them back and use those. So I'm just going to place that on the side here and put my salt and pepper shaker down inside. I love this look. I could do a piece of cutting board behind it if I chose. And that's where someone was saying, you know, use the smallest. I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to leave it just like this. And I may do it on the other side because I have a plug on that side that I need to hide goods. And I'm just going to put that there because I have this plug that I need to block. And I'm going to use my cutting boards in there. Y'all see my beautiful copper? I bought this at an antique store. I bought it for less than $10. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. And I'm just going to use that to hide my cord here. Maybe I just want to put it on my... Oh, that's pretty. Yes. And y'all, it's got some dings on it, but I love that look. I know that's kind of crazy, but I am just going to leave this like that. I need something right here. I have my little copper pieces, canister pieces that I can use over here. I could actually... Now that I have this very simple and I really like the look of it, I may add another copper piece right here in just a bit, but I want to kind of decorate around the room to make sure that I have enough stuff. You remember I said I love woods and whites and coppers in our kitchen, so I think I want to do this tray. This is one I bought from Southern Homes and Gardens back when they had their home line, and they may still have it. I just haven't seen it in years, but I love this cake stand, and I think I'm going to do that somewhere over here. I thought about putting it in the corner and doing something on it, and I may do that. I always like to decorate in threes, just to let you know. You may have noticed that I do threes of almost everything I do. But I had brought this piece out. I love the little blue on it and the copper, and it's even got a brass bottom. Half sphere, just to bring some life into the kitchen. I think that's precious. Over here, I gotta stay very utilitarian. This area is my working area. I use this a lot. So I do want to do some decor kind of behind the sink, but I don't want to do anything on the sides too much because, like I said, I work in this area tremendously. So I am going to use, I have not used my sugar mold in my kitchen in a while. So I thought that was very French country, and I thought it would be really pretty here. I don't have any succulents or anything to put in it, which would be absolutely gorgeous. Succulents in each little hole, candles in each hole. I've done that, but I think I want to do something a little different. I'm just gonna add my blue and white Currier and Ives pieces. These are some old English jars that I have, and I'm going to use one over here. I think it needs greenery. I love a lamb's ear look. It's very soft, and during this time of the year, it's really pretty. Easter, it's absolutely gorgeous, but I think I'm just going to stick me a little piece just to bring me in some color over here. I love this look. That's a very simple, and I am going to leave it just as such. This is my dog station. This is Bear Bear's area, and I do keep his dog food out over here. So I'm going to replenish his dog food and do something cutesy over here. My cutting board that I wanted to use over there. I'm trying to cover this light switch. Y'all know I can't stand light switches.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. the magic places in the world I've been to. This is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.